Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Working on the CLK today guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace fog light bulb on Mercedes CLK or E-Class, that generation. You can see that's the one I'm talking about. If you were wondering how to replace the fog light bulb, stay with us, we're going to demonstrate now guys. And many more videos to come on this model. So we'll show on the right side, but the left side will be the same guys. Not much difference, it just depends which tire you're going to take off so you can reach the fog light. So we have the car in the air now. We're going to remove the front tire. Okay, perfect, like that. So this one is out of here now. Next thing that we'll need to do, we'll need to remove that plastic piece right here. Okay, so now without the trim removal tool, we're going to remove that clip here, okay, and those tend to get stuck. You need to pull the center piece out and then the whole clip. Next guys, we have a few 10mm nuts to remove. Okay, you will see now. One towards the back. Okay, plastic nuts right there. And we're supposed to have on the bottom two screws with another plastic like this one there, but we're missing it. Okay, so let's see if we can just pull it out enough. So I'm under the car now guys, and there is a hidden nut right here that we need to remove with a 10mm with a long extension. Okay, you can see what I'm talking about, it's right here. Okay, so this is a done deal now. You see, we can pull it towards the back. You don't need to remove the whole thing. If you want to, you can, but you won't need to. Okay, and you can see this is the fog light, guys, right here. This is the fog light now, and if you want to remove and replace the bulb, you need to press on this thing down. Okay, like that. I mean up. Pull it out, and you can pull the lid out of there. Okay, this is the bulb itself now. There is one spring thing right here, so we'll need to disconnect this one by pressing down. Okay, removing like that. Okay, it's still on the other side holding. And we're going to open it and pull the bulb out of here now. Okay, this is the bulb. So when you install a new bulb, never ever catch it with your fingers. Okay, let me leave the camera so I can pull this one out. Okay, like that. Okay, perfect. Never ever touch the new bulb with your fingers, because the oil from your fingers is going to burn the bulb really quick, because it will get really hot. So all you have to do is you need to install the bulb. You can actually install it and then put the wire on. It probably will be a little bit easier, to be honest with you. So I got it in, and all we will have to do is just push the clip and install the lid now. Not very complicated procedure guys. If you need to replace them, just it'll take you more time to jack the car up and get to it. Okay, so that will be the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.